Honesty is considered the best policy because it builds trust, strengthens relationships, and promotes a clear conscience. When you're honest, people are more likely to respect and rely on you, whether in personal or professional settings. Lying, on the other hand, often leads to complications. One lie can lead to another, creating a web of deception that's hard to escape. Being truthful prevents misunderstandings, helps resolve conflicts, and fosters integrity. Even if the truth is difficult, it ultimately leads to better outcomes in the long run. Honesty builds trust by creating a foundation of reliability and transparency in relationships. When you consistently tell the truth, people know they can depend on you and believe what you say. This predictability makes them feel secure in their interactions with you. Here's how honesty strengthens trust. 1. Consistency. When your words and actions align over time, others see you as dependable and trustworthy. 2. Transparency. Being open about your thoughts, feelings, and intentions reduces doubts and misunderstandings. 3. Accountability. Admitting mistakes shows integrity and reassures others that you take responsibility for your actions. 4. Respect. Honest communication fosters mutual respect, making relationships stronger and more genuine. 5. Long-term security. Trust built on honesty lasts, while trust built on deception eventually crumbles. Even in difficult situations, honesty demonstrates that you value the relationship enough to be truthful, which ultimately deepens trust. Honesty and transparency go hand in hand, but they are slightly different concepts. Honesty means telling the truth and not deceiving others. It's about being sincere and straightforward in your words and actions. Transparency goes a step further. It's about openly sharing relevant information, even when it's not specifically asked for. It involves being clear, open, and accountable. How they work together. 1. Building trust. People feel more secure when they know they're getting the full truth, not just selective honesty. 2. Preventing misunderstandings. Transparency removes ambiguity, ensuring that everyone is on the same page. 3. Encouraging integrity. When you're both honest and transparent, you create an environment where truth is valued and deception is discouraged. 4. Strengthening relationships. Open communication fosters deeper connections in both personal and professional relationships. 5. Enhancing reputation. Whether in business or personal life, people respect and admire those who are open and truthful. For example, a company can be honest by admitting a mistake, but it's transparent when it openly explains how the mistake happened and what it's doing to fix it. Honesty prevents misunderstandings by ensuring that communication is clear, direct, and truthful. When people are honest, they reduce the chances of misinterpretation, confusion, or false assumptions. Here's how honesty helps. 1. Clarity in communication. When you speak truthfully, there's no room for mixed signals or misleading information. Example. If a friend asks for your opinion on their project, being honest about its strengths and weaknesses helps them improve rather than giving them false praise. 2. Avoiding assumptions. When people are not upfront, others may fill in the gaps with their own assumptions, which can lead to misunderstandings. Example. If you're running late and don't tell your friend why, they might assume you don't value their time, when in reality, you were stuck in traffic. 3. Building transparency and trust. Honesty ensures that all relevant information is shared, preventing any hidden details from causing confusion later. Example. In a workplace, if a manager clearly explains expectations for a project, employees won't misinterpret deadlines or deliverables. 4. Resolving conflicts effectively. Many conflicts arise from miscommunication. Honest conversations allow people to express their true feelings and clear up misunderstandings. Example: if two friends have a disagreement, being open about what truly upset them helps resolve the issue instead of letting resentment grow. 5. Avoiding the domino effect of lies. A single lie often leads to more lies to cover up the first one, making misunderstandings worse. Example: if someone exaggerates their qualifications on a job application, they might struggle to meet expectations, leading to further complications.